So today I'm going to be adding some grab rails back on the Bimini on the sides to hold the bows apart and to give you a little place to grab onto if you were standing up or anything. It's kind of cool kit and sell right. Cool kit and sale right here. So you get actually the bar, then you get these split connectors that go over your bows so you don't have to take them off, and then you get the ends also, and it comes in all in one kit. And here's, let's see if I can find the kit number. Here it is. So here's the kit number. You get all that in one kit. So I'm gonna start bolting it up here and then I'll show you what it looks like. So make sure when you put these up there, you don't drop your screw out. That's not good. Or the nut, because they will come out. First thing you want to do is mount the clam style fittings onto the bars themselves. I love these things because they're split and they're made so they go over the bow on any Bimini top, and you don't have to take the whole bow's system apart. So you can just clamp it on and tighten it up, and then you can clamp your other bars, your grab rails, right to that. And for all of you that have subscribed, thank you. But for the ones that haven't, 86% of the people that watch this show are not subscribed. So we'd love for you to subscribe. It would really help Kathy and I out and help us to continue to make these videos. Okay, so that was the part where I dropped the nut out of. Because I did. Oh no, gotta find a nut for it. At least it didn't drop her screw. Oh boy. Okay, found another nut. Round two. Keep stainless steel nuts, a lot of them on your boat, so when you drop one. Yeah, looks like it'll fit. Let's try that again. I think his bar's going to be about the right length, so I'm going to put the ends on it and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so got the hand hold up, grab bar. It's the first one. That'll keep these two pieces here locked together. Then we'll lock the other two pieces together and then we can use the strap. So we might run another one down, I don't know, and give it like the front one does. That way we could, if we run one more down, from like about right here to there, then that way it would help it. But anyway, got the first one on. That's a good grab place right there, especially if you're walking around the cockpit. It's pretty good. Helps to help yourself stay a little bit more stable, especially for us that old people. So today, we're gonna put some extra supports on the top so I can take the top actually off without actually having to take the bows down. I'm gonna run a support from here down to here. I already ran one across here for a grab rail, so that can't go anywhere. Get that one where it can't go anywhere. That'd be great. So anyway, hopefully get them put on today. At this point, I've already decided how long the bars needed to be. I measured them, and I've already cut them off. The best thing to cut these stainless steel 1-inch bars off with is an angle grinder. An angle grinder will do a much better job. Hacksaw is really rough, and even a motorized hacksaw, you know, or scroll saw is hard. But actually a small, inexpensive angle grinder will cut right through them. With the project finished, it's time to go get some dinner. Let's go eat. So here we are at Mulligan's. You have to be able to come here and eat for a while. See if I can vlog. I've been here before. It was really good before. Let's see if we can get in. Might get on the early bird special. Let's go see. Okay. So Kathy, what you gonna get?
I think I'm gonna also have the chicken marsala.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have too. Chicken, I say Marcel. She says Marcel. So it should be good. So here's Kathy with her food. What do you think, Kathy?
Looks delicious.
check right back with you.
Thank you.
Also mine. That's good. Can't wait.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SP.
Alrighty, here we are on another voyage with, yes sir, Brandon. Brandon.
What's up?
So, Brandon, last time we had a little trouble, but this time we're not going to have it. Right now we're running cool, and we've already went through all the mud and stuff trying to get out. We were stuck, weren't we, Brandon?
Yeah.
We were stuck.
I would say we were stuck.
We were stuck. Like I never got out of it. So anyway, so